So finally my short trip in India is ending. My flight is from Mumbai to Dubai, then Dubai to San Francisco. I'll try to cover as much as I can. Let's see how it goes. So I'm walking towards the security gates. Security is done. Now I'm going for an immigration. After an hour, I have finished all the security and the immigration. I'm having a quick dinner, and in dinner I got the pav bhaji worth 400 rupees. And I like this terminal. A lot of places to eat. Near the information desk, there is a kiosk which gives you the free pass of the internet. So you can use a free Wi-Fi for 24 hours. I started my walk towards gate 48, and that's where my first flight will be. Emirates EK 501 from Mumbai to Dubai. Then we'll have a layover of 3 hours in Dubai, and then we'll head towards San Francisco for a long flight of 16 hours. I'm starting my onboarding and I'm going towards the gate. Let's start boarding and get to the seat. Landed in Dubai. I'll follow the same process to go through security and we'll find my connection. So if you are planning to book Emirates to India, make sure you book seats in C, D or at the max E, because if you book your seat even before that, then it will take at least half an hour for you to get down from the flight. And if you have a close connection of less than 2 hours, it would be hard. I have to go pass through the security again. The security was very quick and fast, so I am out of the security and trying to find my gate. I'll still try to explore whatever shops are there. So I came across this duty shop. Let's see what I can buy. Any souvenir like this. Finally I found what I wanted to buy. I just bought a freeze magnet because I love to collect different kinds of freeze magnets for the places I visit. So I'm going back to my gate now. It's a long walk to gate B29, so it's gonna take at least 10 more minutes for me to walk back to the gate. I started liking this airport now. My previous experience was really good at Singapore, but now Dubai seems to be the better option as well. I'm walking towards the boarding gate now. It wasn't really a pleasant experience, but I hope the flight experience would be better. It's our aircraft, the same aircraft, Airbus A380. Got a comfortable sitting on the aisle seat. I purposely booked the aisle seat because sitting inside is very hard. Today's menu. They just serve me the breakfast. So in the breakfast I have fruits, yogurt, omelette, chicken, then croissant. It's halfway through the journey, still 9 hours to go. They are serving lunch now. For the lunch they have chicken tikka in non-vegetarian and juja kebab and chicken. Speaking of mango juice, the quality is really good. Emirates is best in the food. They have a variety of food items and the quality is really good. except for the flight times and the duration, Emirates is excellent. The food is amazing, service is amazing, the toilets are clean, flight is smooth, entertainment is really good. So I would say Emirates has a 9 rating out of 10. Only 1 point I will reduce if you are traveling with kids. But if you are alone or with no kids, then this is the best flight. And I have traveled with Emirates before, and I definitely recommend Emirates for your future travels. So after 14.5 hours, I'm landing. We are landing in San Francisco. Welcome to San Francisco. Landed safely. Now going for an immigration, and then we'll head back to home. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.